this. Today we're going to learn about conjugating AR and ER verbs, right? So don't forget, right, that first, the infinitive base is the unconjugated form of the verb, right? Por ejemplo, responder. Second, the ending, the last two letters of the infinitive, right? That's the ER, right? And third, the stem of the verb is what is left after taking the ending from the infinitive, right? So respond. So just remember, the infinitive is when the verb is not conjugated. The ending is the last two letters of the verb, and the stem of the verb is what is left after you take the last two letters of the verb, right? So now, how to conjugate verbs that ends in er, er, okay? So the following verbs are regular er verb and are conjugated according to the pattern in the following three slides. So aprender is to learn, beber is to drink, comer is to eat, creer is to believe, leer is to read, vender is to sell. So aprender, the stem of the verb. What is the stem of the verb of aprender? Muy bien. So is apprend. That's the stem of the verb, right? So the endings are yo aprendo, tú aprendes, él, ella aprende, nosotros, nosotras aprendemos, vosotros, vosotras aprendéis, ellos, ellas, ustedes aprenden. Okay? So the emphasis, remember, the vosotros have an acento in the E. Beber. The stem of the verb of beber is, muy bien, be. So, yo bebo, tú bebes, él, ella, usted bebe, nosotros, nosotras bebemos, vosotros, vosotras bebéis, ellos, ellas, ustedes beben. Comer. Comer is to eat. The stem of the verb of comer is come. So yo como, tú comes, él, ella come, nosotros, nosotras comemos, vosotros, vosotras coméis, ellos, ellas, ustedes comen. Ver. So ver is irregular in the yo, only in the first person. Okay. So the yo of ver is veo, no bo, veo. Tú ves, él, ella, usted ve, nosotros, nosotras vemos, vosotros, vosotras veis, ellos, ellas, ustedes ven. Also, notice that the vosotros and vosotras form has no writing accent because it is only one syllable, okay? The third conjugation is the id, okay? Verbs that end in id. Por ejemplo, abrir is to open, asistir, to attend, decidir, to decide, escribir, to write, recibir, to receive, vivir, to live. So, abrir. What is the stem of the verb of abrir? Muy bien. Up. So, ABR. That's the stem of the verb. The ending are the following. Yo abro, tú abres, él, ella, usted abre, nosotros, nosotras abremos, abrimos, vosotros, vosotras abrís, ellos, ellas, ustedes abren. If you notice, right, the verb ir are conjugated just like er verb, excepto for the nosotros and the vosotras form. Decidir. Yo decido, tú decides, él, ella decide, nosotros, nosotras. Hola, estimados estudiantes. Hoy vamos a aprender sobre el verbo tener, okay? And the expressions with the verb tener. So, el verbo tener, right? So, el verbo tener means to have, right? Like I have two sisters. I have an office. I have a car, right? So, remember, tener is irregular. It's an er verb and is conjugated as follows. Yo tengo. Tú tienes. Él, ella tiene. Nosotros, nosotras tenemos. Vosotros, vosotras tenéis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes tienen. So you had to notice that the yo is irregular. Also, we have a stem change uh, in the second person, third person. Okay, la e cambia, change to ie, and the second, third, and the third plural. It doesn't happen in the nosotros or vosotros. Also, the vosotros have an acento. So these are some of the expressions that we have or we tener, right? So tengo muchos amigos means I have a lot of friends. Tienes que asistir a la clase means that you had to attend class. There are other common expressions that use tener, whether English use the verb to be, right? You're going to notice that many of these refers to things that we may feel, such as hunger, thirst, cold, etc. Right? So, ¿tienes hambre? Means, are you hungry? No, pero tengo frío. No, but I'm cold. Tenemos prisa? Means, we are in a hurry. Okay, so let's look at other expressions that use el verbo tener. So, tener años. We should know this one by now, right? So, tener años means uh, we use tener to tell how old are you in Spanish, right? So, ¿cuántos años tienes? How old are you? Yo tengo 19 años. That means I have 19 years. Okay, so we use el verbo tener. Tener calor means to be hot. Tengo mucho calor. Tener hambre is to be hungry. Tengo mucha hambre. Ay, tengo mucha hambre. Ana y su hermana tienen hambre. Anna and her sister are hungry. Tener miedo is to be afraid. Carlota tiene miedo de la serpiente. Carlota is afraid of the serpent or the snake. Tener cuidado, to be careful. Hay que tener cuidado al caminar en la calle. You had to be careful when walking in the street. Tener razón o no tener razón. To be right or not to be right. So, ¿quién tiene razón? ¿La niña o el niño? Who is right? The girl or the boy? La niña tiene razón. The girl is right. El niño no tiene razón. The boy is not correct or is not have the correct answer. Tener frío is to be cold. La muchacha tiene frío. The girl is cold. Tener sed is to be thirsty. Caray, tengo mucha sed. Necesito un vaso de agua. Ah, I am thirsty. I need a glass of water. Tener sueño is to be sleepy. Marco tiene sueño. Necesito tomar una siesta. Marcos is sleepy. He needs to take a nap. Tener prisa is to be in a hurry. La señorita tiene mucha prisa. She's going to miss the bus. The lady is in the hurry. She's going to miss her bus. Tener éxito means to be successful. So, Jorge recibe una buena nota en su examen. Tiene éxito en su clase de periodismo. That means that Jorge received a good grade in his exam and he was or he is successfully in his journalism class. Tener vergüenza is to be ashamed. So Pablo tiene vergüenza porque no tiene dinero. Pablo is ashamed because he doesn't have money. Tener ganas de means to want to do something. So Pilar y Carmen tienen ganas de comprar vestidos nuevos. That means that Pilar and Carmen want to buy new dresses. Now we're going to learn mucho versus mucha, right? So mucho is used as an adjective, right? For that case, they had to agree in gender and number. So mucho masculine, mucha feminine. So tener calor is masculine. Calor is masculine. So tengo mucho calor. Tener cuidado is masculine. El doctor tiene mucho cuidado. Okay. Tener frío is Alicia tiene mucho frío. It's masculine, right? So they had to agree with the noun. Tener miedo. Juan tiene mucho miedo. Tener sueño. Papá tiene mucho sueño. Tener hambre. Now, hambre is feminine, right? So tenemos mucha hambre. Tener prisa is tenemos mucha prisa. Prisa is feminine. That's why we use mucha. Tener razón is to be right. Tienes mucha razón. So razón is feminine. That's why we use mucha. So if you want to practice more, please check the textbook. Also, the PowerPoints that are in your course. Okay. Nos vemos. Chao.